Hey everyone, I'm Chad Hart, CEO of the Hopkins County Family YMCA. On behalf of the Board of Directors and the communities we serve, I wanted to say thank you for your help in the tornado relief. The morning after the storm, we realized we had to spring into action, so we provided hundreds of meals from our YMCA food program. Soon after, we realized that our facility could be used for warm showers, electricity, and the simple recharging of people's batteries. After that, we found that we had a niche in creating hygiene kits, to which many of you donated to that cause. Many of you have given monetary donations or physical donations, and that is so greatly appreciated. What we've realized when we woke up with our safety and health that next morning, we understood that was a true blessing. So we wanted to take our blessing and turn it into a blessing for others. Fortunately, we have a great relationship with our county and city officials and other local nonprofits. We've leveraged those relationships to work together to build a long-term strategy and solution for recovery. Again, we cannot thank you enough from the bottom of our heart for the blessings you've given us and allowed us to duplicate. Thank you and God bless.